What's up, guys? Are you tired of juggling a bunch of bulky medicine bottles every single morning? To streamline your daily routine, you need the best pill bottle organizers. Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are looking at a fantastic multi-compartment pill container that will save you so much space and make taking your daily supplements incredibly easy. Let's get started. Meet the Puliv Pill Bottle Organizers. This ingenious device is here to transform the way you store daily medications. We all know how frustrating it can be to open up 5 or 6 different bottles every single day. They take up massive space on your kitchen counter, and traveling with them is a nightmare. The Puliv Pill Bottle Organizer is designed to bring ultimate simplicity and top-notch efficiency right to your daily routine. By combining multiple bottles into one sleek package, it clears your counter space and saves valuable time every morning. Let us talk about the storage capacity, because this is where the Puliv Pill Bottle Organizer truly shines. Despite its compact footprint, it is surprisingly spacious inside. It features 1 extra large compartment and 5 large compartments. This means you can store up to 6 entirely different types of pills in a single container. The extra-large compartment can hold up to 57 fish oil capsules, even measuring 0.9 inches each. Meanwhile, the 5 other large compartments can each hold up to 24 capsules. That is a massive amount of storage, ensuring you will not have to constantly refill the organizer every few days. One of the best things about this specific design is how well it separates your medications. The Puliv Pill Bottle Organizer ensures that all your pills remain entirely separate inside their own dedicated sections. There is no risk of accidental mixing, so you never have to worry about accidentally grabbing the wrong tablet. Everything stays perfectly organized and right where you left it. Accessing your medication is also incredibly easy. The Puliv Pill Bottle Organizer features a smooth loosing thread and a swiveling lid. This smart mechanism means you do not have to pry off stubborn plastic caps or struggle with locks. You simply swivel the lid to the compartment you need. Combined with the wide openings, retrieving your pills is completely effortless. You can pour out exactly what you need without other pills getting in the way or spilling on the floor. Now, let us talk about its physical size and portability. The Puliv Pill Bottle Organizers stands at a highly convenient height of 5.0 inches. It has a lid diameter of 3.6 inches and a base diameter of 3.0 inches. These dimensions make it the perfect size. It is compact enough to sit neatly on your nightstand without taking up much room, but it is also wonderfully portable for travel. Whether you are heading out for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, it slips easily into your bag. To make your daily routine even more foolproof, Puliv has included 20 stick-on labels right in the box. This is a brilliant addition because it allows you to clearly label and differentiate each compartment. You can write down the names of your supplements or the days of the week, keeping your entire health regimen incredibly clear and simple. You will never have to guess which compartment holds your morning vitamins or evening medication. For those who are always on the go, the Puliv Pill Bottle Organizers comes equipped with a very durable nylon strap handle. This makes a huge difference when you are traveling. The strap is incredibly strong and is actually capable of supporting up to 6 kilograms of weight. You can easily carry your supplements securely during long trips or loop it onto a bag for quick access. When it comes to your health, safety is the top priority. That is why the Puliv Pill Bottle Organizers is carefully crafted from completely BPA-free, food-grade materials. You can store your daily medications with peace of mind knowing the container is completely non-toxic and eco-friendly. To keep your supplements in the best possible condition, it is highly recommended to store this organizer in a cool and dry place, safely away from direct sunlight. It is suitable for a wide variety of medications, though it is not recommended for gummy vitamins as they tend to stick together. Overall, the Puliv Pill Bottle Organizers perfectly combines unmatched convenience, portability, and careful design to make managing your medication totally hassle-free. If you are ready to organize your life and save counter space, we have got you covered. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome product finds. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.